Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. This is Manoj Dara. So, Bitcoin soars about $24,500 on optimism that Fed may slow rates hike pace going forward. Investors' expectations of slower Fed rate pace gathered momentum after lower than expected reading of July inflation. So, cryptocurrencies advanced further in evening trade on Thursday on optimism that the Federal Reserve may slow its pace of rate hikes after inflation data in July hinted that the price may have peaked going forward as well. So, if we talk about IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 7.3% at 36,100 points. Bitcoin was trading at $24,600, up 6.3%. So, Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 12% to trade at $1,908. So the native token on Ethereum galloped after the Goril, one of the largest, most active test networks, switched to proof of stake consensus from proof of work consensus at around 7:15 a.m. India time. This is what the actual game is about Ethereum, moving from proof of work to proof of stake. And if this is going through, this is a big positive. And so investors expect that the merge will help lower the supply of Ethereum, creating scarcity of the token just like what is Bitcoin. So the rally in cryptocurrencies followed general risk-on appetite of investors after the US Consumer Price Index showed an easing trend. So if you go back, the figure was somewhere around 9.1%, and the expectations of these numbers was roughly around 8.7. It came at 8.5, and then the market reacted positively on expectations of a lower interest rate hike or maybe a pause. So meanwhile, the exuberance over the successful move of Ethereum's merge seems to have cast a shadow over the other tokens as investors now flock to the rising stars. Solana Sol and Avalanche FX tokens lost momentum as they seem to have reached a resistance level. So Ripple's XRP, the native token, was in its news after the blockchain registered its interest in acquiring assets belonging to the bankrupt crypto lender Celsius. Celsius, which filed for bankruptcy protection in July after suspending withdrawals, swaps, and transfer between accounts. Similar, Polygon was also in focus as investors noted with interest that the decentralized application or dApps on the Ethereum scaling platform topped 37,000, which is marking a four-fold jump since the start of 2022. So the Polygon team shared the figures via which was with effect of August 10 blog post. Meanwhile, the main developer of Shiba Inu, who goes by the nickname Sayoshi, has announced the availability of the testing of project's new game for Vietnamese users and only on the iOS operating system. That was the reason why the coin was in news. The full details of the game were announced only a week ago, with many wondering when it would be available for the full gaming experience. So if we talk about Binance BNB, was up by 4% to trade at $330. Ripple XRP token was trading at $0.38, up by 4.5%. Next on the list is Cardano's ADA token was up by 4.8%, was trading at $0.54. Avalanche FX was also trading higher by 5% at $30. Next on the list was Shiba Inu, trading higher by 3.3%. So Polygon Matic was up by 5% at $0.94. Solana Sol was up by 10% to trade at $44. Polkadot was also trading higher by 6.6% at $9. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 4.4% at $0.071. So we have gathered few technical analysis experts' view. Let us take you through. So Bitcoin battled 2-month resistance amid most hated stocks rally. Bitcoin prices found support about $24,500 and surged above by 6%. So again, this was against the US dollar. So BTC broke many hurdles, and that's what the analysts are saying, that it might gain above $25,000 resistance level, which is the first thing to look out for. So the pair is also forming a bullish breakout pattern and might rise to the first $25,000, and the second level you have to keep it in mind is $27,250. That's what the analyst from the Coin Market Cap had already mentioned. The Ethereum, if you talk about the second largest crypto, Ethereum formed a high which was roughly around $1,920 level, and recently corrected. So there was a minor move about $1900 levels, but the price stayed above the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level of the upward move from the $1,656, which swing low to the 1,919 high. On the downside, if you see that, an initial support is roughly around near $1,860 level. The next major support is which the analysts are anticipating is at $1,785. It is near the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the upward move from the $1,656, which is actually a swing low of $1,990 high. And immediate resistance is near the $1,090 level. The next major resistance is near 1,980 zone. You have to keep it in mind. So that's all there is in today's Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara signing off, but keep watching 3.0 TV for more interesting updates. Until then, thank you.